Welcome back to another episode of T-shirt cooking. For this episode, we will once more be back at the stove. An entire uncut video, very simple video, and this is just us making hot dogs here in the T-shirt cooking studio. First things first, we have the boiling water that I pre-boiled before the video got started just to make sure it's hot and so we save time. We're gonna be making 4 hot dogs, so we'll be making 2 boiled, 2 on the pan. So we're gonna put the boiled hot dogs in and I'll show you guys a few things. Now, this might seem simple, however, a few weeks ago I went to a friend's house and both he and his wife had a pack of hot dogs in the fridge that has been there since the previous time that I visited, which was during the summer. And it made me realize that people just don't know how to cook hot dogs. It's not very complex. I didn't shame them for it because I don't know what I'm doing most of the time either. But anyway, we're gonna be making them on the pan and we'll also be steaming hot dogs. So we have 4 here, so we'll be making 2 and 2. We also have 4 buns. And I'll show you guys a few quick things that I do personally. Also, I really hope I'm in frame right now. I'm leaning down as much as I can, still be in frame, make this all one shot. Anyway, let's just get to it. So this is heating up here. And now what we're gonna do for these buns, so we're gonna be making 2 toasted buns and 2 steamed buns. So for the toasted buns, we're just gonna throw some butter in here, move it around a bit, make a big mess. Also, for the sake of the video, I don't have the fan on, but you should always have the fan on in your house. And I think I might have burnt that butter, but it's all good. We're just gonna let that toast a bit. You could even toast off the heat for a little bit. 2 of those. Now, to steam the hot dogs, what I have here is just boiling water, and I put the 2 hot dogs in. This should take a few minutes. To make them on the pan, it's gonna be a bit quicker. It's probably gonna take about a minute or so to make the hot dogs, so we'll do that at the end. Now, I'm gonna show you how to steam the buns. This is what I do. Let me go get the mesh. All right, that made a lot more noise than I thought. Just have a little mesh net like this. Just put the buns like that. Then we'll turn them around in a few moments. How are these looking? Let's put these over here in the heat. And now the buns are toasting. These buns are steaming already. I'm feeling them that they're soft, they're a bit hot. We have a plier. Very simple to make hot dogs. It's not complex at all. But I felt like I had to make this video because it turns out people just think that you absolutely need a barbecue. Remember guys, this is just a stick of random meat. It's just whatever leftover recycled meat is thrown together. People keep saying hot dogs are so gross, seed oil is gross, all this stuff. I don't know what's going on, guys. I don't know. We're just making up random variables for what we should and shouldn't eat. Look, it's all good. Just do what you want. Let's turn them around. There you go, and we're gonna toast our buns. You can even squish them a bit if you wish. Not sure if that's in camera shot. If it's not, it is what it is, just imagine it is. Probably the worst thing a YouTuber could say. Now these buns are already starting to look and feel pretty steamed. See, they're very soft. Check by the level of flaccidness of it. See that? So it's quite steamed. And we could just even turn them a little bit like that. Doesn't make too much of a mess. How are these buns looking? These buns are toasting well, it looks like. Looks here too like we're burning the butter. It's all good. Nothing out of the ordinary here at the T-shirt cooking studio. Had something else to say. I forgot. Now that we're filming, every time I click play, the whole time when I'm filming these videos, I'm just trying not to say anything that would get these videos striked. So I'm trying to be as careful as possible when I speak. Now what we're gonna do is we're going to wipe the butter that was in here for the buns, and we'll just apply some more new butter. I really need to get new pots and pans. And when I say that, what I mean is that I have an entire new set that I just haven't used yet, but we might introduce that to all the viewers one day. Never cut on your counter like I just did. That was a bad idea. We're gonna do this and twirl it around a lot so we can really make a mess and throw grease all over the backsplash, stovetop, floor, etc. Now we're just gonna put these hot dogs in like this. Just 2 random sticks of meat. Not complex at all. By the way, you see these steamed buns are ready. That's what a steamed bun is like. It's just a bun that's steamed, not very complex. So we have the 2 grilled and the 2 steamed buns. Not sure who's gonna eat all these hot dogs. I did not think that far ahead. I pressed play and I only thought of that moments ago. Now you see these hot dogs, just make them on the pan with the fan closed. Bad idea, by the way. Always open the fan. But, you know, it is what it is. We gotta do what we gotta do to make sure the audio is good. But yeah, that's it. It's just recycled meat, really. That's what hot dogs are. So all these people that criticize it, you know, and oftentimes it's these vegans and these other activists that criticize even things like hot dogs, saying it's, I don't know, something meat. Look, if you're really about that recycling life, you would eat hot dogs because it's recycled meat. That's everything that's left on those machines, on the conveyor belts that they just slap together and they turn it into sludge, and then they just turn it into little cylinders like this. Sort of like the sausages that you buy at the store. You know, that's really what it is. It's all good. Throw a bunch of salt and chemicals that I can't pronounce, and we got ourselves some hot dogs. It's great stuff. Very, very simple video, by the way. I didn't really have much for this. I did have more to say, but once more, as soon as I press play, I'm just trying not to get struck down by YouTube. I already have 2 strikes on my account. Not sure how that happened, but we're here. Another video where it's nice and calm. You just press play, you just let it play, you do your thing. It's not those ultra high impact dopamine receptor burning videos. You just press play, you just let it go. It's just not very, not very entertaining, but at the same time doesn't fry your brain. All right, now let me just show you guys something. When you take out the steamed hot dogs, you hold them up in the air for a few moments to make sure all of that humidity ends up condensating off. I don't know if that's a word, but that's what we do. And now we're gonna do something. So we're gonna put a steamed hot dog in a steamed bun, and we'll put another steamed hot dog. Let's turn this off. I think these are burning. And let's take that off the heat. And we'll put another steamed hot dog in a grilled, or should I say toasted, bun. I was about to say something, but the innuendo behind it would have been wild and inappropriate for a cooking show. Now we're gonna take a toasted hot dog, pan-fried hot dog, and put it in a steamed bun. And then we will take a pan-fried hot dog and put it in a toasted bun. It's crazy. We just have 4 combinations right here. All right, let me just show you in front of the camera so we could all see what's going on. So we have a toasted bun and hot dog. We have a steamed hot dog and toasted bun. We have a steamed hot dog and bun. And we have a steamed bun and toasted hot dog. Crazy combination of things. Look at what we were able to do in only moments. I haven't even checked the time here, but this was probably 5 or 6 minutes. It's very not complicated to make hot dogs at home, guys. This is like a quick meal. And in terms of everybody saying that this is horrible for your health and stuff, I mean, yeah, you know, we have the white bread. There's a lot of salt. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. Go outside, run, walk. What are you doing? What are you doing right now? Are you on a treadmill? When I'm on YouTube, I'm on a treadmill. What are you doing right now? When I'm editing videos, I'm on my walking pad. What are you doing right now? I'm not even gonna edit this video. We're gonna keep all that in. But that's it, you know, just get moving, and then you could maybe eat some sort of highly processed food like this. Not recommended, by the way, to eat highly processed food. Okay, this video's finished. What am I doing? I have some diced onion here, some relish and mustard, but we're not gonna mention any of that. Then I'm gonna have to turn the camera, realign it. That was the video, guys. Hopefully you learned how to make hot dogs at home, where a barbecue is not necessary. We didn't make too much of a mess apart from me throwing the butter everywhere. Sub, like, comment. There's another one, but I keep forgetting. There's sub, like, comment. Sub, like, comment. I'll see you guys next time.